Go ahead.
My name is Steve Dreisesson, D-R-E-I-S-E-S-Z-U-N. My organization is the neighborhood is the FQ Story Historic District. The organization is the Story Preservation Association. We are plaintiffs in the lawsuit, and I'm one of the neighborhood board members.
Awesome. And so what is this lawsuit? What's going on? What's the issue?
The lawsuit was against the FAA to get relief regarding the flight path changes that were made on September 18th in 2014.
So how often are you guys having noise issues with the planes flying overhead?
We have noise issues on a daily basis. When the planes are flying what we call west flow, they're flying on a brand new flight path directly over our neighborhoods.
Awesome. And so what's the hoped outcome from this lawsuit? What are you guys hoping to change?
Well, the outcome, the result came down on August 29th, a few days ago. A three-judge panel ruled in our favor. They ruled the FAA had to vacate the flight paths that had been instituted in 2014 and had to go back and do the process over because they had done it in error.
Awesome. That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. We are very pleased with that.
And so, if you could tell me some of the neighborhoods, I know you were mentioning it off camera, but what are some of the neighborhoods that have been mostly affected?
There are 4 neighborhood associations plus residents of a 5th. The neighborhoods are my neighborhood, the FQ Story Historic District, the Roosevelt Historic District, Encanto Palmcroft Historic District, and the Willow Historic District.
So it's affected a ton of people.
It has affected, and I think I explained to you the residents of the 5th Historic District, Woodland, has been particularly affected.